Bugatti has introduced the Tourbillon, bringing in a new era of supersports vehicles. The Tourbillion, which differs from the classic W16 engine, is named after a French watchmaking creation that represents technological brilliance and timeless design. The Tourbillion has Bugatti's unique horseshoe grille, central ridge, and dual-color split. It is designed to reach speeds of over 400 km per hour. Performance and stability are guaranteed by sophisticated thermodynamics and aerodynamics. At maximum speeds, the rear wing stays submerged, and the aerodynamic balance is preserved by a new diffuser design. Its powerful engines and electric motors generate a lot of heat, thus every surface, intake, and vent is carefully designed to maximize ventilation and cooling. The interior design prioritizes timeless materials and avoids easily outdated digital screens. The centerpiece is an analog instrument cluster handmade by a Swiss watchmaker using titanium and gemstones. The center console is made of crystal glass and aluminium, and it houses a complex engine start mechanism. When modern connectivity is required, a hidden high-definition screen provides it. The seats are mounted to the floor to save weight, and the pedal box is electrically adjustable for maximum driver comfort. The Tourbillion features an 8.3-liter naturally aspirated V16 engine designed with Cosworth. This mechanical marvel generates 1,000 horsepower on its own, plus an additional 800 horsepower via electric motors. This hybrid system provides amazing power and efficiency. The engine, made of lightweight materials, weighs only 252 kilograms and is a masterpiece of modern engineering. The electric motors are driven by a 25 kWh oil-cooled 800V battery, which gives the Tourbillion an all-electric range of more than 60 km. This arrangement provides full torque vectoring and ultimate traction, which improves both performance and agility. The electric engine, which includes motors that can spin up to 24,000 RPM, is among the most powerful in the world, adding to the vehicle's remarkable acceleration and control. The Tourbillion is built on a new chassis and body structure made of T800 carbon composite, and it incorporates weight-saving advancements. The battery is a structural component of the car, and the rear diffuser is an integrated crash design inspired by motorsports. The aluminium multi-link suspension system replaced the Chiron's double wishbone steel design, resulting in a 45% weight reduction. Advanced AI-developed 3D printed components improve vehicle dynamics and aerodynamic performance. The braking system incorporates cutting-edge carboceramic technology, and a custom brake-by-wire system is fully linked with the hybrid powertrain. Michelin Pilot Cup Sport 2 tires give excellent grip, ensuring that the Tourbillion's performance is both powerful and controlled.